we are making a concoction to feed to the stray, poor, dying birds in our country. First, we're adding the nutritional birdseed ingredients to a small plastic bowl. Here's our ingredients. This is our bowl. That's the nutritional birdseed. More nutritional birdseed for the birds. Adding a few more ingredients to the bowl. This is the last nutritional bird ingredient we are adding to our bird food concoction to feed the stray, poor, dying, homeless birds in our country. We're mixing up the concoction to feed the poor, stray, homeless, dying birds in our country. Here's what it looks like. This is us feeding the poor, homeless, stray, malnourished, dying birds of our country. Do your part to save the dying, malnourished, stray, homeless birds in your country too. Be like us. Save the birds. We are walking back from feeding the birds. We notice this dying, rotting bird, and it's all your fault. If you're not like us and don't feed the dying, malnourished, homeless, stray birds of your country, this will end up like your birds. Do your part and save the birds like us. Save the birds! This is us running from the bird murderers because you can't save the birds. You are a bird murderer. Be like us. Save the birds. We're running from the bird murderers. We notice a dying pigeon in the middle of the road. Dead because of you. We notice here, this is the sky. There is no birds. Don't keep it that way. We like the birds. Save the birds.
Save the birds!